We just recently purchased the REI Co-op Backpacking Camp Bundle set. It was on sale. Awesome. And we are checking it out to see if it's a good beginner set. It has a 2-person tent, a sleeping pad, and a sleeping bag that goes down to 30 degrees. So we're gonna go give that a try, set it up, and see how it does.
I actually really like the idea that it gives you kind of like your basic sleeping kit all in one go. Got our first glimpse of the lake. I think we found our spot for the night. This looks pretty nice. Got a fire pit, which we can't use, but we got a nice trail down to the water.
I shall keep walking.
Kelly's still reconning on the back side of this lake.
2.5 miles, mostly uphill. We made it. We have a gorgeous view of the lake. Let's get it out. It says that it is 4 pounds, 2 ounces. We got our sleeping bag, which is 2 pounds. It compacted really nicely, easy. And then we have our sleep pad, and it says it's just barely over 1 pound, 5 ounces. Each of these things have their own name. The tent is called the Passage 2. We've got the sleep pad, and it is the Stratus. And then the sleeping bag is the Trailbreak, and it is a 30-degree bag. It says it's a 2-person tent, 1 person with gear inside, 2-person maybe with no gear inside. We're going to try both methods out. Instructions, definitely need them. It is on the inside of the bag itself. This is the footprint. It's the thing that helps to keep your body dry. It comes attached to the tent. You can remove it. We got our poles. Oh. Okay, we're gonna lay them out. There is a hole you can attach here. Do this side as well. It says to do the middle one first. Attach. These are really easy. It's nice that it has opening on both sides. Okay. And it's lightweight, so I can move it around wherever I want. It's nice that the footprint is attached, so when I pick it up, it goes with it. Okay, so we're gonna buckle the corners in. All 4 have them. And it comes with 2, 4, 6 of them. And you have a large flap that pulls out, so technically you could store your gear right under this open space. Luckily the ground is super soft. That looks actually really nice. I like the color because it really stands out. It's got some little vents up on top, so it looks like a long piece of Velcro, so you can attach it so you can get some nice airflow in there. I believe both sides have it. Let's double check. Yes, both sides have it. How cool is that? Let's open up this door and see. It's got the Velcro outside. Zipper. So you can pull this back. Oh, right here. You can roll it up. It's got a little attachment so you can keep it open. You got the 2 zippers, either or. That looks really nice. So we have our sleeping pad. It says it is a R value of 2.9, so my bottoms will not be too cold tonight. Nice color, matches pretty darn nice. Okay. This is a little bit different style than what you typically would see. There is a inflate and also a deflate area. Getting this opened up, this was difficult getting off, man. We were a little scared that we were gonna break it. But it came off, so we're just gonna blow it up. The The valve has a self-seal feature in it, so when you've blown some air in it, you don't have to be like holding your tongue on the opening so it comes out. So we're gonna seal it up. It's good sized. Let's put it in the tent. Oh, with it pushed up all the way, you could definitely fit another person in there, and obviously all your gear would fit easily. Let's test this pad out. Actually, it's pretty comfy. I don't feel any of the ground. So this should be let's see how it is. I'm a side sleeper, so let's see. This actually is pretty good. The inside netting also has a little tie back as well. I'm kneeling down on the Thermarest Z seat. It doesn't come with that, but it's an awesome thing to have. We use it all the time. Okay, sleeping bag. Oh, I was worried a little bit that it was going to be white, and it's not, so that's perfect. Spoke too soon. At least the bottom is gray, which is good. This is, I would assume, your typical mummy bag. Ooh, it's actually really nice and soft. Nice feature, it's got like the hood, so when it does get down in the cold temperatures, we are going to be able to cover our heads up. That's cool. It is a synthetic material. Oh, look at that, it's got a little pouch for... Let's see. Okay, this is the best feature ever. Has a bottom zip as well. So my feet get hot, so I like to have a little breeze down there. Of course, you know, if you're camping in the colder temperatures, you can zip it all the way up. Okay, and we got our little hood. Oh, jeepers. I am totally encompassed. That's nice. Let's see on my side. Yep, can still move around, so I'm on my side. I'm 5'9", and I have plenty of space down in my feet and up on my head, so this would work well. This is a really nice kit. It takes the guesswork out of finding what pieces you need. We know we can fit one person with gear easily. Let's see if we can fit two. Of course, the whole kit only comes with one sleeping bag and one sleeping pad. This is the Nemo switchback. Yeah, you got a little bit more headroom up here. And there's definitely enough space for the both of us. I think the backpacks probably wouldn't fit inside the tent with us, but they would definitely fit outside in the flap area. It's going to be in the low 40s, maybe high 30s tonight, so we'll see how it goes overnight and give you an update in the morning.
Well, how did you sleep?
Pretty darn good. The pad still has its full goodness in it. I was able to sleep easily on my sides. My middle section got a little bit cold only because I have thin pants on, but not bad. Let's see how easy it is to deflate the air mattress. There's an actual inflate and deflate. I thought I was going to rip these out when I did the opening for that one, but they're just a little bit harder. There we go. Just got it all rolled up, and then we just snapped this back into place. It actually snapped. I think it actually deflated a lot quicker than your typical air mattresses. It was rolled when we got it, but we are going to try to stuff it because that's quicker and easier. Stuff, yes. So my backpack is a 15-liter bag. So the sleeping pad and the sleeping bag are in the bottom compartment. The tent will go in the middle. It does take up quite a bit of space, but there is room for stuff on the left. If you're going to be packing a lot, you might want to think about strapping the tent itself on the outside of your bag or up on top. So the only weird thing that happened last night was it sounded like a woman screaming, but then there was hooting after. So I'm pretty sure that there was some owls overhead. It was, I thought it was maybe coyotes. Greg was thinking owls. Orange bag to go with the orange shoes. And orange sunglasses. A few good points regarding the tent. If you did happen to do 2 people in it, the nice feature is that there's doors on either side, so you don't have to be climbing over anybody to get out in the middle of the night to go pee. And of course, each side has their own little awning. Vestibule? Yeah, that. So that's pretty cool. The tent does have a tiny little hook at the very tippy top, so if you wanted to hang a lantern, if you needed to, you could. It doesn't have like a net, which a lot of the bigger tents have, but it does have some side pockets. There was enough room for me to sit up inside there easily. Stand up, definitely not. Overall, I think that the tent itself was pretty awesome. Sleeping pad, I would give that a thumbs up as well. It didn't seem to lose any air. It was fairly easy to inflate. A little weird at first because I had not seen that opening, but it was totally fine. But the deflate feature was pretty cool because it got all of its air out pretty fast. The valve was hard to open. It will be interesting to see over time if that changes. The sleeping bag, I did get just a little bit cold, but then again, I sleep cold, so if I had had maybe a little bit warmer pants on, it would have been just totally fine. Nice thing though is that I didn't feel claustrophobic, where I feel that in a lot of sleeping bags, so that was a pretty awesome, and I really liked the material, so I would definitely give the sleeping bag a thumbs up as well. Overall, I think the whole package was really good deal and really good for beginners starting out backpacking. If you're interested in this kit, you can find the links in the description below. You can find out more about us at Explore Trek Adventure, and you can check out some of our other videos up here or here. And we will see you next time.
Bye.